Hello, I'm Bruce Emmil, Dean of the National Energy Center of Excellence here at Bismarck State College. Just want to welcome you to the open house. We have a lot of wonderful energy programs to really help start your energy career. The energy sector is such a large sector. There's so many different areas in energy, whether it's oil and gas. We have programs to support that, petroleum production type jobs, pipeline jobs. Of course, lignite coal. We have a lot of lignite coal reserves here in North Dakota. So whether it's, coal mining, running power plants, mechanical maintenance type technicians, instrument technicians who maintain those facilities. Of course, all the renewables. We have a lot of wind here in North Dakota and some solar coming on slowly. Transmission, distribution of electricity. About half the power we produce here in North Dakota leaves the state and is transmitted to Minnesota. So again, maintaining those transmission distribution lines, we have those careers as well covered here with our programs. So it's a great time to be in energy. Great career path, great benefits, a lot of really good jobs out there. We also have a 4-year degree in energy management that really helps take the experienced individuals as operators, technicians in industry and give them supervisory type skills, management type skills, and now become a shift supervisor, a plant manager, or whatnot. So we have wonderful facilities here at BSC, excellent faculty. We have 24 full-time energy faculty right now. Some great experiences to share with all of you. So please come and join us. It's a great time to be in energy, and please ask questions at the open house and find out which program really is suited for you.